Once again, RTI activist Disparsing Rani had announced through the media the vacancies in government departments across the state of Meghalaya. Speaking to media persons on the 21st of October 2022, Disparsing Rani said that the Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Conrad K Sangma, in the last assembly session had announced the existence of around 3,000 posts that are lying vacant in government departments in various districts of the state. However, Disparsing Rani alleged that the figure is incorrect since RTI reports say that there are 8,020 positions to be filled up in departments across different districts of the state of Meghalaya. Some of these include 749 positions in the Health Department, 183 in the Water Resources Department, 133 in the Directorate of Statistics, 226 posts in the Soil and Water Conservation Department, besides others.
Gidan kita thamai ke bana suyo thamai mentang empat Asian Press kita thamai lon arspa like newtly ke bana suyo agnisni te bakin total ye gani gidan dipu sapo vacancy po Meghalaya kamde la hajar ko Chief Minister ke de hajar ar khotli kentublang ru bakini krim lai spa andru newtly te ban khamya tiptikna pi ginong pe berkhoi te ni astu pi bagai department kala news pa sau fundai water resources kala cispa fulai Directorate of Statistics kaya kala cispa lai fulai Directorate of Agriculture kala lai fusan Directorate of Horticulture kala lai fuwe Directorate of Soil and Water Conservation kala ars pa funrio Directorate of Commerce and Industries kala cispa kalai tali Directorate of Printing kala cispa sau tali Directorate of Sport kalai ko Rudi kalai aspa propo Education tang apun rio Directorate of Agriculture aspa ar kenika MS kenika Meghalaya Society Livelihood kenika kalai kindai tali kasi NRD block kapo sekretariat kalai kandir tali ka forest aspa nyu tali ka MEECL kalat haja laispa khotli ka urban plus muda kalat samsanteli DC noston khotli kini krim laispa khotli ka second battalion west karohil kalat cispa khotli DGP hangne kalat south khotli MGCC kalat kathandai DC south west kasihil kalat tang laiteli DC south west kasihil kalak tangli lightly narapat ke polis kalak hajal saus pa nyok